Hello there, how are you? Today I'm going to show you how I made pure vanilla extract in less than 2 minutes. You're only going to need to purchase 3 items if you do this yourself. The container that the vanilla extract is going to go in, your vanilla bean, and some type of alcohol. So you take the vanilla bean and you score it or split it lengthwise. And then because my bottles are smaller, I'm also going to have to cut my vanilla beans in half. Now just know the ratio of vanilla bean to alcohol is typically 2.5 beans per 4 ounces. So once I finish getting everything scored and cut in half, I put them inside the bottles, and then it is just a matter of filling the bottles up with the alcohol. So I chose a spiced rum that had Madagascar vanilla beans in it, which matched my Madagascar beans. And I also made 6 regular with just the clear vodka. You store this in a cool, dry place. For the first week, you want to kind of shake it or rotate it every day. After that, you want to do it like once every couple of weeks or a month. And at 6 months, you will have a high-end vanilla extract. And if you let it go longer, the flavor just intensifies. There you have it. Pure vanilla extract in less than 2 minutes. Alrighty then. I want to thank you all for stopping by. Have a wonderful and blessed day.